probably going to be allowed to expire.
May 30th.
Reissue any of those spots there.
Velocity a factor. And just heavy rains. The grass is getting its fill today. Kevin said we had 1.1 inches or 1.2 last night. We're getting a royal pour. We had one about an hour ago.
Farther north, tornado warning remains in effect in this broader rotation area. I want to go back to that because, frankly, you know, looking at some of these wind numbers.
Lots of rain here. Blue bucket's filling up like crazy. Whenever that gets filled up, you know it's been raining hard. May 30th. 18 days ago we had that big windstorm, and we're not out of the woods yet here at getting close to 3 o'clock Central Standard Time.
And then these little spots will kind of come and go quickly, given all the information here. But I would say, even at the moment here, there's probably a little more even developing outside that tornado warning area. But again, farther to the north, we haven't been quite as warm today, so that's another factor.
301.
We analyze how much of this rotation.
It's pretty calm right now, actually. A few sprinkles. The big tree up there just kind of waving a little bit. 301, 305 actually. A little bit dark in the house. See?
Yeah, and certainly looking at this flank of the storm, that would be more in this direction, just to the north of Watertown. Again, there's been kind of an axis in here where there's some rotation developing where these green and these red colors. The difference between the raindrops and the hailstones, it does a pretty good job of
314, and it looks like the wind is just to the south of us. It could get very windy here in the next minute or two. Again, the tree up there, pretty calm, but we'll see what happens here.
Kind of holding its own, and then back down to the south. Let's pan into that spot right there near Garrett's.
Alarm just went off. And the wind looks like it's picking up here. Just a bit. Maybe not quite yet. But they're talking about Millbank a lot.
A little spot in particular where things are kind of rotating, and that's kind of the problem here now. These little spots.
But it's really raining there. 315, 316, 317.
Or Aberdeen. Well, it looks like we have some lighter rain showers trying to move through. The strongest
319
along and east of Interstate 29.
Okay, we're about through it.
Kettleland. We do have this heavier shower trying to develop to the.
Okay. Sirens continue to go. That car was moving. Come on, tree, hang in there. Water coming through. Doesn't usually get on these ledges, but that is a lot of water. Come on, trees, hang in there. $326. Sirens continue to go off. Come on, trees, hang in there.
Into Rock County, Minnesota, but again, this has been an observed tornado in Rock County, and this tornado warning is out.
3:28 p.m. and that is deep. The little tree stands tall. Park out there is heavy water. 3:30-ish. What do you think of that storm there, Mom?
I hope it's done.
Yeah, past tense for sure. Let's get to some blue skies as it should be on Memorial Day.
Hold on just a second.
We're a little warmer. We have temperatures approaching 80 in Worthington. We have 84 in
336.
Spencer, Iowa. And then as we do take a look at our dew point temperatures, I haven't taken a look at these for a while. I'm kind of curious as to what these are doing. You still velocity data.
Well, Millbank is doing pretty okay here. Thank God.
Okay, by the way, for that, that remains in effect until 3:45 p.m.
Okay, well, got a good view there. And the little tree is getting stronger. It's weird though, now it seems to be coming out of the north.
As we do extend over into Switz County, Minnesota, Stevens County, Minnesota, same thing. We're looking at these tornado warnings going out until 4 o'clock. Now, you see Madison, Minnesota. Let's go ahead and change our view here. Looks like the dangerous part of that, too, as we move up
We
here
could
to
take
northeastern
Kenny
South
to
Dakota,
Kenneth.
Madison itself, starting to get a couple of visual
Minnesota,
reports
never heard of
right
it.
now. Funnel Cloud reported Madison at about 2.
Okay, that's a lot of water down there, folks. H2O. I think we got kind of lucky here once again. Praise Jesus. Cherry blossoms are off of every tree, though. Pretty sure about that.
We've had close to 1.5 inches southwest of Millbank. Another report of heavy rain here, over an inch, and those reports coming in from earlier this morning. But yeah, another round of heavy rain moving through, or has moved through, eastern and northeastern South Dakota for the early part of this afternoon. So
it is 3:46, 61 degrees. We're not going to drive through that, but we will turn around.
Why wouldn't you drive through that?
I think it might be a little deep yet.
Oh, it's not that deep. I've seen it deeper than this.
Maybe. Wow, it looks like a lake down
He was
here,
smoking in front of his mother.
doesn't it?
Yeah, I bet they have
Wow.
problems in their house.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
Vicky. It looks like
Yeah,
the lake. It's
waves.
Roy, come
Oh,
on.
sorry.
Let's put it up.
Sorry. Off the shed, if there's paint in there, it's going to be wet.
Oh, that's right. You painted her house.
Okay. Whoa, that's deep. They're going with the wind. It's going to be soggy out here for a while. Pretty much filled up with water there.
93 anywhere when we had all that rain.
Wow. Millbank underwater. .351, 61 degrees. Severe thunderstorm warnings or tornado watches extend till 10 o'clock, so we've only got about 6 hours and 9 minutes left.
Since we're out this far, let's take a look and see.
$4.19 per gallon here in Millbank.
Sometimes it makes over 32.
Some spots have a lot of... Oh, they're down.
I wonder if Alex would have qualified when he was in high school.
I can pay for it. Look at the sun.
Oh, yeah.
Really broke up.
Look at that water to the left. Sometime, but you have to say it again.
That's full. Skeeter breeder, Callie G. Skeeter breeder. Ooh. Construction continues on the project here, hopefully. Oh. They're gonna be in swim trunks tomorrow. There's a lot of water.
There's a tree branch down.
Looks like a board came off here.
Alright, always come to pick up little stuff. That was so convenient. Then a new one all the time.
Bye. Yeah. Come on, sit. All right, drop, 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 drop.
Did you get that dry in the store?